Hello everybody students. Today let's talk about local based date format. Local based date format. Now I will showcase in local based date format. What is local? Information about linguistic cultural. Information about linguistic cultural and technology conventions for use in formatting data for representation. And this is a run on these applications, and as we have already shown on you the fixed date format in SwiftUI. Now I want to showcase the localized date format. In this situation. So first of all, we're gonna access on this view model. This is a date format view model, and this is date format, and this formatter properties we're gonna set on formatter dot local and is equal to local identifier. And in this situation handle on this, we're gonna create on this enum. So enum, and in this enum you can use of in this enum, suppose this is a current local, and current local and static let current language is equal to, suppose this is current language in en. This is the current language is English. Okay, you can code also en code on this English language, and you can bind on this property. This is a current local dot current language. Okay, and we're gonna set on this view model view on this. We're gonna set on this view model. We're gonna apply it on this properties. This is the environment dot local dot environment, and in this apply on this slash dot local, and in this apply on the slash dot local dot init identifier current local and dot current language. We're gonna set on this current language. We're gonna resume on this applications, and in this we're gonna resume on this applications. Okay, but it's not changing in this value, but it's not change. Suppose we're gonna change on this formatter. Suppose this is the HI Hindi language code on this HI, and we're gonna resume on this applications, but it's not changing in this value. Local is changed, but it's not changed in this. But it's not changed in this value, but it's changed and not changed in this value. Suppose this is a, we can use of UR. This is a Urdu language code on this UR. This is the Urdu language code on this UR, and in this UR, but it's not changed in this situations handle, but it's not handled in this situation. You're gonna check on this formatter, but it's formatter check value in this, but it's not check on this. This is a, we're gonna better solution, but it's 6 is not apply on the 6 inner. So we're gonna set on this methods, calling method date format notice the hard code value. You're gonna calling on this methods, calling on a set localization template format, and this set localization template format we're gonna assign on this string set localization template format. Okay, and the same as copy, and we can same template achievement on this. We're gonna copy on this string, and show on this copy on this set localization methods, and this copy on this string, and remove this methods. This is the same string on this copy, and in this situation handle on this UI, and in this string copy on this, in this string remove this formatting, and set what is set localized date format from template. Set the date format from a template using the specified local for the receiver, using the specified local from the receiver. You're gonna open your view and run on this applications, resume on this applications, and preview achievement on this language. Suppose this is a, and in this language handle, this is a 6 October. Suppose we're gonna add on this code, and this add on this code, this EN US, and EN US formatter is, check on this EN US formatters, and this is EN US formatter. Resume on this applications, this is the EN US formatters, and in this text we gonna apply on this font. Suppose this is the large title and heavy, and color, suppose this is the green color. In this apply on this all properties, apply on this text. We're gonna apply on this property on the text. Okay, and in this situation, in this part on this, so suppose this is a run on this part. So October 6 2021 and October 6 this is another template on this date format. Suppose we're gonna change on this code in your language English. Suppose this is English, this is a GB. We can apply on this English GB, this is United Kingdom code, and you can change on this code. Resume on this applications, this is 6 October, and this is change on this October month. This is a English United Kingdom code, and it's change on this valuable, and this is so local information about linguistic and cultural and technology conventions for use a formatting date for representation. So in this code, and we can run on this application. Suppose we're going to use of Arabic language code, and this is the Arabic language code, not is a Arabic AR. Okay, we're gonna AR code on this Arabic language. We're gonna resume run on these applications. This is the Arabic code on this language. This is Arabic code in this language. Change on this template. This is the Arabic code in this language. So we can consider on this code on this local. Local is a current device local achievement on this current. Suppose devices run on this English language and Hindi language. Different language running on this code. So in this current local on this device set on this our date picker and our calendar view on a mobile. Okay. So in this run on this code, suppose this is a add on this HI code. We're gonna apply on this HI Hindi code. This is a HI code on this Hindi, and HI code on this Hindi, and now I will showcase in Hindi. So now I will showcase in Hindi. So now I will showcase in Hindi. We are running on this application. This is running on this application. Showcase on the Hindi. Now I will showcase on Hindi. This is 6 October 2015, and this is a right corner. This is writing on this Hindi, and suppose this we can. Now I will showcase on a. Now I will showcase in a suppose Urdu code. We gonna apply. Now I will showcase on a Urdu language code. This is UR. And now I will showcase on Urdu, and we're gonna resume on this applications, and we're gonna showcase on Urdu. This is Urdu. 6 October 2021 and 6 Oct 2021. Only October print, and by using of slash. This is the only counting print. This is the date format shown this UI, and we have already shown you the fixed date format in SwiftUI. We have shown this date format in SwiftUI. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy my channel and like my videos, in this situation solve on this local information about linguistic convention, cultural and technological convention for using a family data for representation. And thanks. Let's talk about in this today date formatting local based date formatter.